when the trees are crowned with leaves, when the ash and oak and the birch and yew are dressed in ribbons fair, when I was called the breathless moon in the blue veil of the night, the shadows of the trees appear amidst the lantern light. We've been running all the night in some time of this day, not returning back again. We bring a garland gay. Who would go down to the shady groves and summon the shadows there, and tie a ribbon on those sheltering arms in the springtime of the year? The songs of the birds seem to fill the wood, that when the fiddler plays, all the voices can be heard long past their woodland days. We've been rambling all the night in some time of this day, and not returning back again. We bring a garland gay. And so they linked their hands and danced round in circles and in rows. And so the journey of the night descends when all the shades are gone. The garland gay we bring you here, and at your door we stand.